guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see behind me here, I have my fancy new backdrop hanging up. I am very pleased with it. It looks better than the nastiness of a wall that was there before. Anyways, before I start rambling too much, and the video hasn't even started, today is the Shop My Stash. And I'm holding my phone out, and normally, oh, see, I'll be shopping my stash into that one, and into that one. I'm in a weird mood today, guys, so I think this video is going to be really long. I'm sorry, I'm just rambly. So without further ado, let's just hop right into it and see what I'm going to be using for the upcoming week. So first things first, I'm going to open up this because this is where I'm going to be putting everything. And the first thing that is already in here is the No Problem Primer by Touch & Soul. I have not used this yet. I have been wanting to use this for so long. I haven't even opened the box yet. So let's see what it looks like together. That's a nice packaging, actually. It's like a frosted glass. Beautiful. I'm excited to try that. I don't know why it's not focusing. Anyways, let's move on. I'm going to keep that in there just because I haven't done anything with it yet. Okay, so we have primer. As for powder, I'm going to, I don't know. I'm going to use the Kat Von D Locket powder, and I'm also going to pull this one out. The All Nighter Urban Decay. I love that. It's amazing. I'm going to throw it into there. For foundation, excuse the mess. In behind me, I have things from the move. You can see my pants. And my mirror is extremely freaking dirty. For foundation, I want to use this, the Fenty Beauty. And I'm also going to pull out, I want to use this one a little bit more because I haven't really played with it too much. It is the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. So I'm going to pull these two out as my foundations. For blush and bronzer, I'm going to pull this one out. For blush, I just got it. I've been wanting to try these for so long. This is the Milani. It's the Rose Blush, and this is in Coral Cove. Looks so pretty. As for bronzer, you know what? I'm gonna pull out my Kat Von D Shade and Light. And I'm also going to pull out my Hourglass Luminous bronzer. Just because the Shade and Light is so matte, and this one has a nice sheen finish to it. And I'm also going to pull this one out because I've been loving this Laura Geller Tropic Hues Baked Blush. It is just so pretty. Now onto concealer. We'll put him in here. Concealer, I'm going to pull out the ColourPop, and I'm also going to pull out my Tarte Shape Tape because I have not used this in quite some time for under my eyes, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to pull out my Smashbox Photo Finish as well as the ColourPop All-Star setting spray. I've been really enjoying that. So we got those in there. I don't think we need anything else from in there. This is my hair shears and stuff. This is various hair products, more various hair products. I'm not picking any of that out right now. Next up, we need highlighter. So for highlighters, I'm gonna pull out my Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm, and I don't know. I'm gonna pull out my Pat McGrath highlighting trio, because if I can open this, I don't use this one nearly enough because the shades are so unique. Let me try to get this with my other hand here. They're so pretty. I mean, look. I have glitter on me from something else, but I mean, those shades. Let's see if you can see them there. Look at those shades. They're gorgeous. So I'm going to pull that out, as well as my Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm. And in case I don't want to be super, super crazy, I'm going to pull out, which one is this? Not rose gold, I don't want. I'm going to pull out Opal in the Becca highlighters. And for eyeshadow, I don't know what I want to use. What have I not used in a while? Actually, I'm going to pull out my Modern Renaissance. And I'm also going to pull out... No, I don't want that one. Modern Renaissance. I'm going to pull out the Festival palette by Juvia's. Those are both two really warm palettes. I want to pull out a cool tone one as well. I haven't played with this in quite some time. I'm going to pull this one out. The Kat Von D Divine palette. Because I want to play with that one a little bit more. Alright. I think that is it. Because lipsticks here, I pick out as I go along. Because, you know, a girl never knows. This is just random crap here. You never know what kind of lipstick, and I have all these beauties here. But anyways, this is, yeah, that's what I'm going to be using for the following week. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you would like to be notified of upcoming videos, then hit the bell. I have an exciting video coming up this week where I'll be doing a no mirror challenge. So if you guys want to see how well I can do my makeup without looking in a mirror, stay tuned. And until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous night.